Hello. Nomad Sculpt, for fun, a very short video. I don't know for what I can use this effect in Nomad Sculpt, but I show it to you. Okay, I switch to the app. This is the effect, and it's possible with every object from a horse, a dino, a cube, a sphere. It's okay. I do it. I clear this, and perhaps I add a sphere. I validate it, and the effect appears in combination with a mask. I take the selection mask and I select the whole sphere, and I extract it. Shell is selected and shell thickness is 0. You can test all the settings, but it's important that both objects have to be the same size. Okay, I extract it, and now we have two spheres. One sphere, I hide the other one, is unmasked, and the other sphere is the mask sphere, and they are overlapping, and it's equal. I think it's a word for it. Which object this is? The masked and the unmasked object have to overlap, and then you make both visible and both activated, and you can change the resolution or something, and you can voxel merge it, and then this appears. It's a crazy masked thing, and now you can go to the gizmo tool, and you can drag it outside and scale it, and this effect is happening. I can clear the mask, and I can force paint it in a metal tone, and that's it. Both objects visible and selected. One is masked and one not, and then voxel merge it, and then this effect appears. Okay, it looks very nice. Okay, ciao.